channel in Miami, and today we are going to be visiting a couple of restaurants. We reached our first destination, which is the Cheesecake Factory. And we are in a restaurant. I think you're wondering why. Well, we're going to go to different restaurants and try different foods and see which one's the best. So just now, before we turn on the camera, we ordered our food. I got sliced chicken fries with french fries. No. Sliced chicken with french fries. And I got lemonade for a drink. Let's get started. Right now they're going to put in the bread and the butter really soon. So, the bread just arrived, and they have white bread and brown bread. Let's try it. It's so nice because this side is crusty and the inside is soft. Now let's try this one. This bread not so because it feels like it's soft, but it's hard to bite this one. The crisp. Let's cut this in half and add some butter. Our meals in. Okay, let's try the french fry. First of all, this french fry is literally real potato. It's so amazing. I barely taste any salt, which is good. It's not over salted. It's not a little bit of salt. There's only a tiny bit of salt. But it's so good. Now, let's try this. I think hot potato. Hot. Sorry, guys. It's so hot. Okay. That was like a little bit, the texture felt like just a tiny touch crusty. And the actual chicken, it was a little bit like smushy. Like not smushy, but it was like, it's like kind of stringy a little bit. Now let's try the lemonade. Try not using plastic straws because they can hurt. It's turtles, but let's try it. It tastes quite nice, except it's kind of like they added ginger and a lot of sugar. It's more like a lime than a lemon. Can you get what I'm saying? And I think it would be better without ice. Oh my gosh. Okay. Wrong side. Cut moment of truth. Let's try the cheese. Okay. Well, the chocolate cake at the bottom, right here, it tastes amazing. I can't say how it tastes like. It's just so good. The bottom part is like very. I don't really like it because it's like icing mixed with like, do you know those like big cherries in the fake cherries that they sell, like crushed up fake cherries and with icing, so it doesn't really taste that good. And then there's like chocolate chips inside, they taste just like those chocolate chips. Now, let me say again what my least favorite thing was the filling, which was that part. It tastes very berry. Right over here. And my favorite part, of course, was the chocolate cake. And then my second favorite thing was the whipped cream. Now let's upgrade it. Whipped cream, 10 out of 10. Chocolate cake, 10 out of 10. Chocolate chips, 7 out of 10. And the icing filling stuff, 8, 7, something like that. 8, 7 out of 10. So, moving on to the next restaurant.